Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Windows sandbox failed to start error code 0x80070015. The device is not ready. Would you like to submit feedback about this issue? Let's fix it guys. For that, go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. You just need to search for 4 services guys. One is Hyper-V service virtual machine. Just need to, if you get Hyper-V service virtual machine, you just want to double click on it, and if the service status is stopped, you just want to select start, and if the startup type is manual, select to automatic and click OK. And the same thing for Hyper-V host computer service. You just want to found it, you just want to double click on it and set automatic startup type and select. If the service status is stopped, you just want to start it, and after doing it, we just need to search for network visualization service. Network visualization service, if you get it, double click on it and select startup type is stopped. You just want to start it and set startup type to automatic, and after doing it, click OK. And the same thing for virtual disk guys. You just want to find it, virtual disk, double click on it, and if the service status is stopped, you just want to start it. Click on start, click on apply and OK. After doing it, close out of here, go to search menu and type Windows Update. Click on open it. Click check for updates. If anything listed here, you just want to download and install it guys. After installing it, you just want to restart your PC and your problem will be resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.